Okay, morning everybody. Guess who? This video is a special video for my nephew Jake, who's a big shop steward guy up in Edmonton, big welding shop there. And I thought I'd take this special time just before Christmas to show him how they cut and use old torches in the old day before they had machines and stuff doing it for you. So this is in the oxygen and the acetylene apparatus here. Jake, you can't see the tank out there, but I'm sure you probably saw one on YouTube or something. But anyways, I'm going to cut this little piece of steel right here for you. I got the oxygen turned on full here, turned off here. I'm going to turn on the acetylene. Now, I'm going to turn it up until that black smoke goes away. Then I'm going to add some oxygen. Then you get that blue nose dip there. Nice. Then I'm going to cut away this thing. The trick here, Jake, is to preheat it a little bit first before you start cutting. Pay attention here, this is important. Keep a steady hand. Come on, baby. Beautiful. Just going to go back over the bottom part. That's it. And when you cut, turn it off. Turn the oxygen off first, okay? I don't want to see you hurt yourself, buddy. But you may want to try this at home or at the shop. Oh. Because this is something you have to do yourself. You have to learn. It's old school, but it's a heck of a lot of fun. I hope you learned something. Have a Merry Christmas, buddy.